The wisdom of the ancient Stoics extols the virtues of discretion and the transformative potential of silence. Their profound insights remind us that not every thought or experience requires unveiling to the world, echoing the sentiments of the Stoic philosopher Epicurus, who proclaimed, "The sole path to true happiness lies in relinquishing concern for matters beyond our control." Let us embark on a journey to uncover 7 fundamental teachings of Stoicism that guide us toward wisdom and inner strength when kept private. Chapter 1. Never speak ill of yourself. A foundational tenet of Stoicism, a philosophy centered on fortitude and inner resilience, underscores the prohibition of self-negative discourse. Marcus Aurelius, a distinguished Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, advises against indulging in self-deprecating thoughts, even within the confines of one's own mind. This Stoic precept aims to preserve self-assurance and mental well-being. Frequent immersion in thoughts such as "I'm incapable" or "I'll never progress" corrodes self-esteem and impedes personal development. Embracing this Stoic wisdom necessitates vigilant awareness of one's inner dialogue. Instead of self-criticism, it is crucial to foster a mindset acknowledging personal potential and capabilities, affirming, "I possess the capacity to achieve this, and if not immediately, I will inevitably progress." This affirmative and growth-oriented approach serves to fortify self-confidence and resilience, resonating with the fundamental tenets of Stoicism. Chapter 2. Never boast about self-improvement. Another vital Stoic precept underscores the avoidance of flaunting one's journey towards self-improvement. Epicurus, a prominent Stoic philosopher, imparts invaluable guidance on this matter, proposing that the pursuit of personal betterment should be undertaken with humility and discretion. This involves abstaining from loudly broadcasting our endeavors and achievements to the world. Instead, our actions should authentically testify to our growth. Epicurus emphasizes that self-improvement is an intimate journey pursued for personal enhancement, not for the applause or acknowledgement of others. Continual boasting about progress risks diluting the sincerity of our intentions. Epicurus urges adherence to the age-old wisdom that actions speak louder than words, affirming that the genuine measure of self-improvement lies in the tangible transformations evident in our behavior, character, and mindset. Genuine growth is exemplified through our conduct, how we treat others, the wisdom we share, and the virtues we embody. The central lesson is that self-improvement should be a quiet and resolute pursuit, enabling our outcomes to organically radiate and inspire others. People are more likely to be influenced by the substantial enhancements they witness in us, rather than mere verbal declarations. Epictetus, echoing this sentiment, advocates for a path to self-improvement paved with humility and modesty, asserting that our actions and results are the most authentic and impactful means to inspire and influence those around us. Chapter 3. Don't be a glutton. Musonius, a distinguished Stoic philosopher, imparts invaluable counsel on the pivotal importance of embracing moderation in all facets of life, particularly in our dietary and drinking habits. His teachings underscore that unrestrained indulgence can lead to detrimental outcomes, encompassing physical and mental burdens and a hastened burnout. Stoic philosophy places a profound emphasis on the significance of discipline and self-control as fundamental keys to success, extending beyond professional pursuits to encompass the broader spectrum of our lives. This emphasizes that the virtue of moderation is not a mere suggestion. It stands as an indispensable principle to be wholeheartedly embraced. Consider the metaphor of a pendulum oscillating between extremes. On one end lies excessive indulgence, involving overeating or drinking excessively, providing transient pleasure, but ultimately burdening both body and mind. Overindulgence, such as excessive eating, can result in physical discomfort, health issues, and the mental distress of guilt or regret. Similarly, overindulgence in drink can lead to impaired judgment and a loss of self-control. On the opposite extreme lies extreme restraint or abstinence, equally fraught with detrimental consequences, fostering feelings of deprivation, frustration, and paradoxically, a potential inclination to overindulge later on. Musonius's sagacity advises us to find the balance in between, a middle path where moderation reigns supreme. Instead of pushing ourselves to the point of discomfort, we should consume food until satisfied. Rather than indulging excessively in drinks, we should savor them in a manner that enhances our experiences rather than hindering them. The Stoic philosophy, as exemplified by Musonius, imparts that moderation is not merely a virtue confined to food and drink, it stands as a universal principle applicable to every facet of our lives. By practicing moderation, we exercise discipline and self-control, qualities that prove not only advantageous but indispensable for achieving success and maintaining a harmonious existence. In life's grand orchestra, moderation assumes a pivotal role, harmonizing our actions and ensuring a more enriching and balanced journey. Chapter 4. Don't run your mouth. Zeno, an ancient philosopher revered as the progenitor of Stoicism, bequeathed us with timeless wisdom that reverberates even in the contemporary hustle and bustle of our talkative world. His sagacious counsel, "You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason, so listen more than you speak," holds profound significance, compelling us to reflect on our communication and interactions with others. In our modern age, where the clamor for attention reaches unprecedented levels, heeding Zeno's advice becomes increasingly crucial. The cacophony emanates from diverse sources such as social media, meetings, and everyday conversations, where everyone endeavors to make their voices heard. However, in the pursuit of expressing our thoughts, we often underestimate the immense value of active and attentive listening. Listening, in its true essence, transcends the mere absence of noise. It entails giving someone your undivided attention, tuning into their words, emotions, and unspoken cues. When you lend an ear, you bestow a precious gift, respect. It signifies that you hold the speaker's thoughts, feelings, and experiences in high regard. Amidst the noise of the world, being a proficient listener sets you apart, standing as a testament to your empathy and consideration. Listening provides a fertile ground for meaningful connections to flourish. Individuals feel heard, understood, and valued, fostering stronger bonds and more effective communication. Whether in personal or professional realms, being an adept listener has the potential to elevate relationships, nurture collaboration, and cultivate a profound sense of trust. Furthermore, the practice of listening offers a gateway to learning and personal growth. Actively engaging with others' perspectives, insights, and knowledge becomes a source of continuous development, paving the way for informed decision-making. Zeno's ageless counsel, "You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason, so listen more than you speak," resonates in a world where self-expression often commands the spotlight. Being a skilled listener becomes an embodiment of mindfulness, respect, and wisdom. In your future conversations, remember the transformative power of listening. You will uncover a profound connection with others and a pathway to both personal and professional growth. Chapter 5. Avoid overfixation on the future. Within the realm of Stoicism, a profound lesson unfolds, emphasizing the peril of becoming excessively fixated on the future. Esteemed Stoic thinkers, including the venerable Epictetus, caution against fixations on elements beyond our control, events that may unfold in the future, occurrences in the past, or the thoughts and actions of others. Succumbing to worry over these matters becomes a wellspring of undue stress and discontent. Epictetus, a luminary Stoic philosopher, underscores that authentic happiness materializes when we release our preoccupation with circumstances beyond our influence. His memorable words echo, "There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will." Here's an elucidation of this Stoic wisdom. Firstly, acknowledge the limits of your control. It is imperative to recognize that dictating every facet of life is unattainable. Some events lie beyond your sphere of influence, and no quantum of worry or concern can alter this reality. External circumstances, the conduct of others, and the uncertainties of the future are realms beyond your command. Secondly, direct your focus to the present. Stoicism advises a concentration on the here and now. Your capacity for action and decision-making is confined to the present moment. By earnestly applying yourself in the present, you can carve a positive trajectory for your future. Thirdly, exercise discretion in choosing your reactions. Stoic philosophy underscores the pivotal role of controlling your responses and attitudes. While external events elude your control, mastery over your reactions remains within your grasp. This self-discipline facilitates finding serenity and contentment amidst life's uncertainties. Fourthly, alleviate unnecessary stress by embracing life's unpredictability instead of resisting it. Stoic philosophy propels the idea of relinquishing excessive concerns about the future, steering focus towards what can be controlled. This shift fosters heightened happiness, resilience, and a serene state of mind, harmonizing with the sagacious counsel of Epictetus. Chapter 6. Don't be ungrateful. In the tapestry of our connections with others, a pivotal thread is woven through the expression of gratitude or its counterpart, ingratitude. It is imperative never to convey a lack of appreciation, for life itself is a profound gift, one that should be embraced with gratitude for every fleeting moment we are bestowed. The sagacious words of the ancient philosopher Epicurus echo this sentiment, declaring, "He is a wise individual who refrains from grieving over the things he lacks and instead finds joy in those he possesses." This timeless wisdom imparts a crucial lesson: to consistently acknowledge and be thankful for the blessings that grace our lives. Simply put, ingratitude entails a failure to recognize or show appreciation for the positive aspects that cross our paths. It can take various forms, from disregarding the kindness extended by others to taking our daily comforts for granted. Practicing gratitude becomes a conduit for recognizing the positive elements in our lives and appreciating the efforts of those who contribute to our well-being. In the realm of relationships, expressing ingratitude poses the risk of alienation. It may lead to misunderstandings, hurt feelings, and the creation of a strained social atmosphere. Conversely, the act of expressing gratitude nurtures positive relationships, fostering an environment where individuals feel not only acknowledged, but also valued. In your interactions with others, always bear in mind the significance of gratitude. Cultivate the habit of expressing thanks for acts of kindness, the opportunities presented, and the blessings that unfold in your journey. Through this practice, you not only contribute to the nurturing of positive relationships, but also enrich your own life by attuning yourself to the beauty and goodness that surrounds you. Chapter 7. Avoid whining too much. The tendency to complain is often a subtle habit that creeps into our lives unnoticed. Many of us resort to complaining as a way to vent frustration or seek sympathy, yet this habit seldom contributes to positive change. As the philosopher Marcus Aurelius wisely articulated, very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. This underscores the profound influence our mindset has on our happiness, urging us to shape our perspectives and responses to the world. Complaining tends to perpetuate a cycle of repetition and unproductivity. It rarely results in solutions or positive changes, often fostering a sense of victimhood and helplessness. Marcus Aurelius's observation that happiness resides within ourselves highlights the importance of taking control of our mindset, steering it away from negativity. Constant complaining can strain relationships, as the negativity becomes emotionally draining for those around us. Over time, individuals may be less inclined to offer support or companionship. Conversely, choosing to refrain from complaining and focusing on the positive aspects of life can bring transformative effects. By redirecting our mindset from problems to solutions, we alleviate stress, enhance emotional resilience, and improve overall mental well-being. People are naturally drawn to positivity, and by choosing not to complain, we strengthen social connections and build more meaningful relationships. Complaining often serves as a distraction from taking constructive action. Shifting our mindset towards finding solutions and taking proactive steps makes us more productive and efficient in our endeavors. Embracing gratitude for the positives, no matter how small, fosters contentment and happiness. To reduce complaints, mindfulness becomes crucial, being aware of thoughts and feelings, seeking solutions when faced with challenges, and expressing gratitude for the good things in life. Complaining, a counterproductive and often destructive habit, can be replaced by embracing a positive, solution-oriented mindset, leading to a happier and more fulfilling life. Marcus Aurelius's insight about the key to happiness lying within ourselves resonates with Stoic principles. Adopting the practice of selective silence, discerning when to speak and when to remain silent, becomes a powerful tool for personal growth and deeper connections with others. Stoicism reminds us that not every thought or emotion needs expression. Some are best kept within for introspection and self-improvement. This internal reflection, facilitated by selective silence, guides us toward a more profound understanding of ourselves and the world, echoing the Stoic understanding that silence can be a valuable teacher. It allows for attentive listening to our inner thoughts, clearer observation of the world, and gaining insights often drowned out by the constant noise of chatter. Through selective silence, we navigate life with greater intention and wisdom, fostering a deeper and more meaningful existence. Thank you for joining me on this philosophical exploration. Remember, the key to a Stoic life is not just in knowing, but in doing. Seize the day, stay resilient, and may your path be filled with wisdom and virtue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with those who may benefit from the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. Until next time, stay Stoic, stay strong,